Stop. If you're thinking about buying StoreFluence AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this tool claims it can clone real-looking influencers, build a complete store, and make sales on autopilot while you sleep. But here's the real question. Is this actually a game changer, or just another overhyped AI scam? Let's find out. If you decide to get this, make sure you use the link in the description. Because I'm giving away exclusive bonuses that can literally help you start making money from day one. And trust me, these bonuses are the real deal. What's StoreFluence AI? It's an all-in-one AI influencer plus e-commerce system that does three powerful things: creates hyper-realistic AI influencers, turns product images into viral video ads, and builds a fully functional online store for you. And the crazy part? You don't need to build anything, you don't need products, and you don't even need experience. Just log in, click a few buttons, and your business is live. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here's why people are getting excited. No need to hire influencers. $5,000 saved per post. No video editing skills required. No monthly subscriptions. Create viral content for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Fully automated store system. And most importantly, it removes the biggest problem in e-commerce: traffic plus content plus conversion, all handled by AI. Inside StoreFluence AI, you're getting AI influencer generator, male and female models, image to video product ad creator, DFY influencer video library, AI prompt generator for viral scripts, built-in self-updating e-commerce store, multi-platform export, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and commercial license, sell videos and keep profit. Basically, it's like having a full marketing team inside one dashboard. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be honest. Pros: beginner-friendly, saves time and money, all in one system, no recurring fees, great for dropshipping and content creators. Cons: you still need traffic strategy, AI videos may need tweaking for best results, and not a push button. Get rich system. So yeah, it's powerful, but only if you actually use it smartly. Results. What to expect. You can launch your own store in minutes, create viral product videos daily, run ads or organic traffic, and sell products or offer services. Some users claim results in days, but realistically, you need consistency plus effort to see real income. Now let's talk about the real reason to buy through my link. Bonus 1, 500 plus viral winning products. No guesswork. Just pick trending products and start selling instantly. Bonus 2, DFY store templates. High converting store designs. Launch in minutes. Bonus 3, AI influencer video pack. 100 plus videos. Ready-made viral videos for ads and traffic. Bonus 4, $0 to 1K day blueprint. Step-by-step training to scale your income. Bonus 5, AI Influencer Domination Kit. DFY scripts, ad angles, and viral strategies. Total value, more than $5,000. Yours, free if you grab today. So, is StoreFluence AI worth it? If you want a shortcut into e-commerce, AI-powered content creation, no monthly fees, and beginner-friendly system, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. So if you're even slightly interested, click the link in the description to grab StoreFluence AI and lock in all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.